Hey buddies, this is Ramya and welcome to Agile Playbook. Are you still stuck in endless meetings, missed deadlines, and projects that never seem to deliver value on time? Have you ever wondered how companies like Google release updates so quickly? How Netflix personalizes your recommendations? Or how Airbus manages thousands of engineers across the globe? The secret behind their success is not magic, it's Agile, Scrum, SAFe, and Kanban. Welcome to Agile Playbook, your one-stop guide to mastering Agile, Scrum, SAFe, and Kanban in the simplest, most practical way possible. And in this channel, I'll show you how these frameworks work in the real world and how you can use them to boost your career. Hi, I'm Ramya and welcome to Agile Playbook. On this channel, we break down complex frameworks into simple lessons you can actually use, also with real-life stories and practical tips. Whether you're a beginner trying to learn Agile or a professional looking to scale your skills. If you've ever felt confused by jargon, endless ceremonies, or scaling challenges, don't worry. Here you'll learn how the best companies actually use these methods to deliver results faster, smarter, with less stress and with more impact. So, what is Agile? At its core, Agile is a mindset, an approach to work where teams focus on delivering value faster, adapting to change, and collaborating closely. Instead of waiting months for a final product, Agile teams deliver small, usable chunks of value continuously instead of waiting months or years. Real world example. Think of Netflix. Instead of waiting a year to release a full update, they release small, frequent improvements like a new feature, better recommendation engine, or bug fix, so users always see progress. That's Agile in action. Fast feedback, constant delivery, and quick adaptation. Now we will discuss about Scrum. So, what is Scrum? One of the most popular Agile frameworks is Scrum. Think of Scrum as a recipe for teamwork. It divides work into short cycles called sprints, usually 2 weeks. Each sprint team delivers something usable at the end of every sprint. Scrum has simple roles. Product owner sets the vision and priorities. Developers build and deliver the product. Scrum Master, the coach who removes roadblocks and ensures the team follows Agile principles. Real life example. Spotify uses Scrum teams called squads. Each squad focuses on one area of the app like playlists, podcasts, or payments. Every 2 weeks, they release improvements, keeping the app fresh and competitive. What is SAFe? But what if you're not Spotify or Netflix with a few squads, but a giant enterprise with hundreds of teams? That's where SAFe, Scaled Agile Framework, comes in. It connects multiple teams across an organization so they move in the same direction toward big goals. Real world example. Airbus uses SAFe for building aircraft software. Imagine thousands of engineers across different countries working on cockpit systems, navigation, and safety. SAFe aligns them all, so every team knows how their work fits into the bigger picture. It's like an orchestra. Scrum teams are the musicians, but SAFe is the conductor keeping everyone in harmony. Think of it like a music concert. Scrum teams are the individual musicians. SAFe is the conductor making sure everyone is playing in harmony to create one beautiful symphony. And now, let us know about Kanban. It is the simplest and most visual of them all. Kanban is all about flow. Work is represented on a board with columns like to do, in progress, done. Teams pull work based on capacity, not push everything at once. It helps teams see bottlenecks and manage workload efficiently. Real world example. Toyota, the birthplace of Kanban, used it on the factory floor to make sure parts arrived just in time, never too late, never too early. Today, software teams like Microsoft use Kanban boards in Azure DevOps and Jira to manage priorities, track progress, and reduce bottlenecks. It's like having a traffic signal for your workflow: smooth, visible, and efficient. So, whether you're a student, a professional, or a business leader, understanding Agile, Scrum, SAFe, and Kanban will give you a real edge. This channel will give you the tools, knowledge, and confidence to succeed in the Agile world. These aren't just theories, they're the backbone of how the world's top companies innovate and deliver at scale. If you want to grow your career, master these practices, bring real world agility to your work, deliver better projects, and stay ahead in the Agile era. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your peers. Welcome to the Agile Playbook family. Let's master Agile together. Thank you all for watching.